On number 7 and 8, all the given information tells us about the signs. So we'll start easy. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So to find sine on number 7, sine of theta equals, we flip cosecant upside down, so -3/5. Now, if you look at cosine is greater than 0, and if cosine is greater than 0, that means that its reciprocal secant has to be greater than 0. So if I draw my triangle, here's theta, my right angle, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so 3/5. And from here I can find my missing side, my adjacent side, by doing the Pythagorean theorem. Since I have hypotenuse and a side, I'm subtracting. 25 minus 9, and the square root of 16 is 4. So my adjacent side is 4, my hypotenuse is 5. So secant of theta is hypotenuse over adjacent, because it's the reciprocal of cosine, which gives me 5/4. For number 8, we're again going to look at what we're given. Cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. So to find tangent, I'm going to flip cotangent upside down, and I get -5/2. Now, the other information that's given to us is that cosecant is less than 0. So this means that cosecant is going to be negative. So if I draw my triangle, tangent is opposite over adjacent. So opposite is 5, adjacent is 2. Since I have two sides, I'm going to add 5 squared plus 2 squared. And that gets me 25 plus 4, so the square root of 29. So the hypotenuse is the square root of 29. Cosecant, you'll remember, is the reciprocal of sine. So I need hypotenuse over opposite. Hypotenuse is the square root of 29. And opposite is 5. Now we already said that cosecant is negative, because the given information says that cosecant is less than 1. So my answer is negative square root of 29/5.